In today's video, we're going over how to make money online off of Canva. A lot of money is to be made online, and it is taking many jobs in today's society. In the next 10 years alone, more than 50% of the jobs will be replaced by technology or even robots. So if you are in college, or if you never went to college and you're not majoring in something that only human hands could do, your future just might be in jeopardy. Thanks to me, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make up to $100 or even $500 a day using Canva with affiliate marketing. Guys, this method is absolutely proven to work. Many people are doing it, including myself. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, period. More and more people every day are quitting their job to make money online, and affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make some fast, easy money, and you have to do absolutely no work at all. You can simply go on your laptop, go to a website like Amazon or either ClickBank, and upload a link and get people to click it and buy that product. Now, this product is not yours whatsoever. It's absolutely touchless. All you're doing is uploading a link. You have to run ads to get people to browse through your link, to get traffic going to your link, and once that happens, there are offers out there that you can get paid anywhere from $10 to $200 for just one link click. If you guys are new to the channel, this is Black Investors Group, where we make investing easy and where we make money the easy way. If you haven't done so yet, please make sure you guys go on the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon. We got all of our step-by-step ebooks and business startups over on the Patreon. Also, free credit hacks and ways to boost your credit fast. We have every niche that you need, how to make money online over on the Patreon. But with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and hop on the laptop and see how you can start making money on Canva. So guys, to get this method started and to start making $500 a day off of Canva using affiliate marketing, you would simply go to canva.com, create yourself an account. Once you create yourself an account, you will see the home screen like this, and you would simply go to templates. Once you go to templates, you will see a bunch of projects that you can pretty much get. Let's see Holly right here. You can pretty much get these projects and create your own. You can pick whichever one you want. So for this one, if you were in the makeup niche, you would pick Holly, and you could simply customize this template. You can put whatever you want, guys, and you can edit this speech out. You can put however much font you want, and you can style it however you would like to. But for this instance, we're gonna be looking at how to make money with one of the best products on the ClickBank website, which is Exapur. So Exapur is a weight loss supplement dietary pill. So pretty much people in the weight loss niche will be looking for this supplement to buy, and by simply putting in your link from your ClickBank website, you will be able to sell this product and get up to $60 for each sale. So I do have Canva Pro, which is only $12 a month, and it allows you to have no limitations and to access all of the features on Canva. So right here, guys, we're gonna go into the search bar and we're gonna simply type in weight loss. Once we type in weight loss, we're gonna get a lot of templates going over weight loss, guys. And pretty much what you want to do is you want to find the best one that pops out to your eyes. Because if it doesn't pop out in your eye, then why would it pop out in somebody else's eyes? I'm scrolling. I see a lot of interesting things, but I don't yet see one that pops out in my eye that is going to be good for a weight loss dietary supplement pill. So this would be good, but it is a drink. We are going more over pills. So we're gonna go through supplements. We're gonna go press supplements, guys, and pretty much we're gonna keep scrolling to see which one we want. And so we're just gonna pick this one at the top right here. We're gonna go to customize template, and then we're gonna just pretty much create us a cheap little ad, because Canva is just for the ad part of this process. So once you have your ad made up, you're gonna go right here to where you see share, and you can either copy your link, you can download it, you can go to more, you can airdrop it, you can do whatever. But for right now, we're just gonna press download, and we're gonna download as a JPEG image, and we're gonna press download. We're gonna get this thing downloaded to our computer, and while we're going over that, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and go over to Pinterest, And I'm gonna show you guys how these things are working on Pinterest and how every post that you see on Pinterest is pretty much affiliate marketing links. You can see we're on Pinterest homepage, and you can see she lost 14 pounds. This is the weight loss hacks. But I'm gonna warn you, the last time I tried to do this ad for this product, they did take my post down because they're saying that they don't want to shame anybody's bodies for having, you know, before and after pictures. So you have to be careful of the type of advertising that you do on Pinterest. As you can see, guys, we're just gonna go to search and we're gonna type in Exeper, just to get an example of the ads and what people are posting, so that you can get a mental example of what you need to implement into your post. So you can see Exeper supplements for weight loss, and if you go to this site, guys, they're just links that, you know, go to the site and buy it right here, and they're just all links to go buy their product. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and go to create. We're gonna go to create pin idea. We're gonna pick our ad that we just made up. Now guys, this is the butter right here. Where you see add description link, this is where you want to go over to the ClickBank website and input your Exeper link or whatever product you're trying to sell. Once you are at ClickBank, you want to go ahead and create an account. You want to go to where you see affiliate marketing place, and this is where you will get all of your links at all different types of niches. Pretty much every niche, every category, they have links for products for sale. All you have to do is copy and paste the link into Pinterest or whatever website you want to promote your ad at. But for this case, you know, we're doing Pinterest, so we're gonna just go ahead and take our Exeper link and put it on Pinterest. And the good thing about this scheme, guys, is that you see right here, it says that you can make $25 in reoccurring purchases. This is absolutely outstanding because that means that each month customers want to buy this product, you will be making $25. So even if you just have 5 customers that want to buy this product every month, you will be making a passive income of $100 a month, guys. So this is why we are doing Exeper, because we're trying to make this passive income. You can make up to $200, $300, even $1,000 passive income a month if you scale these ads out correctly. So you see you have Exeper right here. You want to go to promote, and once you promote, guys, you just want to put in your account name and then create hop link. Once you have this hop link, you copy that, you want to take it to Pinterest, you want to add this link into the destination link, and you just want to press publish. And that is all you have to do to start making $100 to even $500 a day. This is how you put this method on automatic mode. You want to go to where it says promote link. Once you promote your link, once you promote your Pinterest post, this will allow you to scale over thousands of Pinterest viewers a month, over thousands of viewers a day, depending on how much you want to pay for ads. And just by 1,000 views, you may get 10 clicks and you may get 5 buys off of 1,000 views. So you have to be wary of the type of work that it takes to make this type of money on Pinterest and doing affiliate marketing. Just because you get 1,000 views on a TikTok post doesn't mean you're gonna get 500 sales. You might only get 2 sales out of 1,000 views. You might get 0. But as you can see, you can promote your pin right here, and pretty much once you promote your pin, you will put your daily budget, the amount of days you want to promote your budget for, your cart information, and that you can see you have a potential monthly audience of 80 million people if you promote this post, depending on how much money you want to put into this. But I'm not actually going to be promoting this post because I already have ads running. But this is just an example of how to start making money on affiliate marketing by using Canva and Pinterest. If you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. We post daily over here, so stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you hit that bell. My name's KINGLATTA, this is Black Investors Group, and we out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a